for today I'm at the beach. I am so excited. I got my soda pop bottle. Oh yeah. And I just built this sand castle right here. And now it's time to go inside the pool. Yay! Splash! Super awesome. My sunglasses, I forgot to take it out. I'm so happy. Just relax in the pool. Ooh, look at this. Wow! What am I doing? Oh, that was close. Let's just play the ball. Woohoo! This is fun. I'm going to try water gymnastics. First, splits. Wow! Needles and everything. I could do a spin. Whoa! Ah! Whee! I'm so happy. Time for some handstands. Woohoo! I love popping. Get it? Pop hearts popping? Yeah. Ah, I love it. What a splash. It is so fun. Oh, I need some soda pop. Let's go. Time to just get some soda pop. And soda. Yeah, the palm tree. And yeah. Ew, what is that? Well, that was gross. Yeah. What is in there? Water? I didn't pick water. I never drink water. I only drink soda. Who put this in here? I knew it. It was my cousin. She's a prankster. I'm gonna get you back, cousin. Well, time to just put my sunglasses on and just relax. Gotta go to one of the benches. Just nice and relaxing. I feel like sleeping. Time for me to suntan. Oh, looks like nobody's in the pool now. Only me and her. Empty beach today. Enough of resting. I'm gonna go find some seashells. Oh wait, my sunglasses. Take them off. No wonder everything's so red. Let's see. I found a seashell! Yes! Wow, this is so good, but I'm not allowed to take it home. Let's find another seashell. I found another one! And another one! Yay! Whoa! I like this seashell the most. Whoa! It's so slippery. I added so much water to the sand. Anyways, guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video, comment, and share it as well. Well, that's it for the video. Hope you guys like it.